Hello everyone, welcome to Sri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. My name is Vashali and I will be taking your EVS subject. Chapter 3 Family and Friends. I repeat, Chapter 3 Family and Friends. So children, I have already explained you the entire chapter. We have covered all the topics. Today we will be discussing the book exercise of this chapter. So let's begin with the exercise. Begin with the first exercise then. As you can see, the name of chapter is written already here. Chapter 3 Family and Friends. So first question says, look at the given picture and complete the family tree. The family tree is given to you and the blanks are given where I have made the stars. So we have to complete the family tree. I'll be showing you some magic, children. I will be clicking on the star and the answer will appear. So you want to see the magic? Okay, let's see. Okay, so first is a picture of grandmother. Who will be beside grandmother, children? Beside grandmother, who will be there? Let's find out. Let me click on the star. The answer is grandfather. Is it correct? Yes. Beside grandmother, there will be grandfather. Okay. Now, what we'll see? Below grandfather, whose picture is there? There is picture of father. And who will be beside father in the family tree? The lady. Who is that lady? The answer is mother. Again, I have shown you the magic. I clicked on the star. The answer appeared. Okay, now I'll show you more magic. Okay, now come below grandmother. Below grandmother, you can see the picture of aunt. Can you see the picture of aunt? Yes. So who will be beside aunt? Who will be beside aunt? Aunt ki side mein who is this? Who is this man? Who is this man? Okay, let's find out. Let's click on the star. The answer is uncle. So it is uncle here. Okay. Now come below father and mother. Could you see it is written, what is written here? M-E, me. So this is your picture. You can imagine that it is you. I know there is a picture of girl. Even if you are a boy, just imagine it once. So who will be beside you? Who is this boy? So this boy will be your, who will he be? He will be your sibling. He is your brother. Yes? You okay? So now let's come to the other side of the family tree. What is to the other side? Cousin. So children, why is this boy called cousin? Why is he not called sibling? Because these both children are the children of your uncle and aunt. The parents are not same. That is why this boy is named as cousin. So what will be the girl named as? The girl will also be named as same. She is also the cousin. You can write cousin sister also. You can write cousin also. Both are same. So the exercise which is given on page number 19. Let's start reading question number 1. Question number 1 says tick the correct option. So children, 4 options are given to you. You need to choose one option out of all the given options. A part says a family of 2 children with one parent is called a dash family. 2 children and one parent. Only one parent is there. So which is this kind of family? This will be single parent family. Okay. Next. B part. The grandparents, parents and children live together in a dash family. Grandparents, parents and children. In which family do they live together? They live together in a joint family. So we'll put a tick on second part. Okay. Now let's read the C part. In a nuclear family, children live with dash. Nuclear family means small family. So children live with parents. So second option is correct, parents. Now let's come to D part. Children of aunts and uncles. What are the children of aunts and uncles called? What do we call them? Adopted, cousin, twins or siblings. Aunts and uncle means the parents are not same as yours. So they will be your cousin, right? Now let's have a look at question number 2. A part. Question number 2 says state true or false. You have to tell whether the statement is correct. If it is correct, write true, and if it is wrong, write false. I have already written down the answers. Let's discuss. Family means people who are connected by birth. Family means people who are connected by birth. Is it true? Yes, it is true. B part. A family with uncle, aunt, cousins living together is a nuclear family. With uncle, aunt, cousins, all of them are living together. So it is not a nuclear family, it is a joint family. So the answer is false. C part. We should leave grandparents all alone. Should we leave them all alone? हमें अपने grandparents को बिल्कुल अकेला छोड़ देना चाहिए? No. So this is false. D part. Members of a joint family do their share of the housework. So what do members in the joint family do? Do they share their work? Yes, they share their housework. So this is true. E part. Children should not waste their time by helping in the house. So when you help in the house, do you waste your time? Is it true or false? We should not waste our time by helping. This is wrong. So this is false. So children, now let's start with question number 3. It says give one word answers. You are supposed to give only one word answers. Okay, A part says the children of uncles and aunts. What do we call the children of uncles and aunts? We call them cousins. Okay. A big family with grandparents, children and grandchildren. Which is that family? Big family. Grandparents, children and grandchildren. That is joint family. Fathers or mother, sister. Father, sister, bua. Mother, sisters, masi. So we call them aunt. We call them aunt. Common word. A small family with only one parent. One parent family is single parent family. Now, question number 4. Answer the following. What are the different types of families? What are the different types of families? What are they? Joint family, nuclear family, and single parent family. Yes. Next is, what is the work of a member in a joint family? So what is the work that a member of a joint family does? What do the members of joint family do? They take care of each other and support each other. So what we have written, the members of a joint family take care of each other and support each other. Okay, C part. Give any 3 good habits that you do with your friends. What are the good habits that you do with your friends? We have written the answer. I share my things with friends. I help them always and I listen to them. Your answers can be any. You can write any answer. Whatever good habits that you do with your friends, you can write. So this answer can be different. D part. What did you do today to help your sister or brother? So they are asking what did you do today. So this answer you will be writing it by yourself because everyone's answer will be different. So I have written here do yourself. Now, so children, all the exercise of this chapter have been completely discussed. I hope that all of you must have checked the answers. Thank you so much children for watching the video. Stay tuned with me for more such videos. Till then, goodbye, take care.